Hey folks, Jimmy Weller here with Weller's Utility Trailers. Concession season is upon us. Festivals are coming up. There's lots going on. Weather is breaking, and we have this trailer right here. This is an 8.5 by 20, 7,000 pound. It's got the V-nose front, has two windows right here with the lock and the key. Inside, it's finished off. Aluminum walls, rubber floor, electrical package. Has 7 receptacles plus 1 G.F.I outlet. Side door, 4 lights. Standard is 2. It's got a few extra, or excuse me, a couple extra. There's that G.F.I. Beautiful blue. Semi-screwed, so it's only screwed on the seams. Has an AC on the roof. 080 thickness polycore. Gives it a nice clean look. Has the second window here. The ramp door with the flap. And then on the inside, you can see the lights. It's got a 12-volt light there. Here's your AC. All the controls are right here. Also has the heat strip. Get a nice look at the rubber floor. Aluminum walls, easy to clean. You just spray them and wipe them. Lots of uses for this trailer. So if you need a trailer, come to Weller's Utility Trailers. We've got a big selection. We got financing. We got rent to own. We want to sell you a trailer. Check out Wellers.com.